Your LifeAssure Classic Home device will arrive just a few days after you place your order. Here's what you find in the box. Right on top, you'll see a welcome card. Flip it over, and you'll find a referral form. Scan the QR code, and you can qualify for a free month of monitoring. Next is your quick start guide, designed to help you set up your device in just a few simple steps. We've also included a few accessories like stickers, a keychain, and a silicone bracelet, so you can proudly show you are part of LifeAssure family. Now, the heart of the in-home medical alert system, your classic home device. On the front, you'll find a large help button. If you ever experience a fall or need emergency assistance, just press it to get connected with an agent. Setting it up is easy. Plug in the power cord. Disconnect your landline from a wall jack and connect it with the classic home device using the port labeled phone. Then, take the provided cord and connect it to the port labeled wall, with the other end going into your wall jack. You'll also receive a wireless pendant, which you can wear around your neck. It works up to 600 feet from the base unit, so help is never far away. If you prefer, you can also wear it on your wrist using the included wristband. Want even more peace of mind? You can upgrade to our automatic fall detection pendant, which alerts monitoring center even if you cannot press the button yourself. Ordering is easy. Simply visit our website, select your device, and place your order. Your device will be delivered within a few business days, assuring your safety as soon as possible. Need assistance? Our seniors advocates are ready to help. Just call our helpline.